Hi, we're the UA 2019 Honors Alternative Spring Break Program.
Our trip is going to Whiteriver, Arizona on the White Mountain Apache Indian Reservation.
While we are there, we will be working on a tribal community farm.
The farm started as 980 acres, and due to politics and fallow land, it's down to 120 acres with a 3-acre garden.
We will be spending our spring break restoring this land back to its former level.
Along the way, we will meet with members of the Apache community,
learn about their struggle for food sovereignty,
and discover the cultural richness of the Apache people.
This is my second year on the Whiteriver trip, and coming to the farm for 3 hours and working with my hands and then breaking for lunch and working another 3 hours and then looking at the end of the day and seeing what we've accomplished as a group, whether it's building a fence or planting whole beds of seeds or saving like tomatoes from the frost. At the end of the day, that sense of accomplishment, it's phenomenal. I wouldn't want to spend my spring break any other way.
I think what I got most out of the trip is the idea of like working with other leaders and kind of developing your own leadership style as you like learn about other people.
Often people just need the opportunity or people need instructions. It's very simple to look and to assume that people are more suited for one thing or the other. And when everyone got here, we were all at the same level. We may have been from different backgrounds or different strengths, and a lot of the activities we all had to learn. We all started from ground zero. So each person in whatever task they were given, they found a way to do it, and they found a way to communicate what they could and what they were willing to do.
As an American Indian Studies student, I relish the opportunity to contribute back to the tribes, and this opportunity is going to be a wonderful experience, not only to learn about a new culture, but to help the tribe achieve food sovereignty.
I'm hoping to enrich the experience I had last year learning about the culture of the White Mountain Apache, food sovereignty, and sustainable agriculture.
As a member of the Sigma Alpha Professional Agricultural Sorority, I look forward to putting forth our efforts to help them recultivate their lands through sustainable agriculture.
You can support our trip with a tax-deductible donation at our crowdfunding page.
every little amount will go towards helping us use our spring break to help the Apache farm and ourselves.
Thank you for your support.